I go to school to be a cop. Listen, I don't play that. So y'all can do what y'all do. I have one glass of wine.
Heel toe steps, remember? Saying? Alright, hang on. Let me finish the.
I have one glass of wine, man.
Oh Lord God, I ask you right now to watch over me because I
keep saying that she's in law enforcement. I don't think that's gonna work out.
On New Year's Eve, 2022, near Milwaukee, Wisconsin, an Ozaukee County Sheriff's officer pulled over a black minivan traveling 84 miles per hour in a 70 mile per hour zone.
Oh, Deputy Morgan, Ozaukee County Sheriff. You ready?
Hey, I'm only laughing because you pulled me over when I was going to Texas.
Fair enough.
Speeding, and you know what? I ain't even gonna lie. I probably deserved a speeding ticket now because you pulled me over and let me go last night.
Fair enough. Where?
No, I'm not even gonna lie.
Where are you going today?
Home.
Home? Where are you coming from? Milwaukee.
Oh, Kyle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But I'm not gonna lie. So that's the truth.
All right. Is it your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's my father's, but it's
Okay. Gotcha.
Yep.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Just a glass of wine.
Just a glass of wine? Okay. How long ago was that?
1:45.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Just give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back, okay?
Sorry,
Oh, it's okay. Can I have you step out of the car for me? Thank you.
You know I wouldn't be driving if I was really that drunk.
Fair enough. All right. I'm just going to be step back here by my squad. So, the car smells like weed, okay? So that gives me probable cause to search the car. So I'm going to pull them out too. Do you have any weapons on you? Any weapons?
I go
A
to
knife?
school to be a cop.
Okay, fair enough. Can you just have a seat right in front of the car? Do you care if I pat you down real quick, make sure you don't have anything? I'll tell you now. Thank you. Nothing in your pockets here.
Stop being the most cooperative
I know.
person.
I appreciate
I go to school to be a cop.
I appreciate you being cooperative. All right. Do you want to have a seat right there for me? Unless you want to sit in my squad.
Hey,
It's
can I
nice
go
and warm.
pee though?
I'm not gonna let you pee on the side of the road, all right?
I really gotta go pee.
We'll try and be quick, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can I at least tell them to be cooperative?
I'm gonna pull them out so you can tell them once I get back here, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Jesse, will you step out with her? Will you hang out with her while we pull them out?
I go to school to be a cop. Listen, I don't play that. So y'all can do what y'all do. I have one glass of wine and I'm perfectly fine to drive.
Took a call of a boyfriend who refused to bring the car back to her. She is currently at the Driftwood Motel, 3415 Green Bay Road. She believes that he is in Mequon.
Where do you go to school?
She did say that she texted him a couple minutes ago and told him she was on the phone with him.
How much longer you got left?
A year and a half.
Okay.
I want to be a border patrol.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
You speak Spanish?
No.
No, not yet.
Do I have to? Everyone
I don't
tells
know.
me that. Do I have to?
I would assume you would have to, yeah.
That's up. That's up. Hey, jacket.
You need a jacket?
You can come by me. It's not illegal to come by me.
Yeah. Just stand over here, though, not by the road.
Will you stand by with me?
Yeah.
I need IDs from both male.
You got an ID with me?
Is there a jacket in there you have?
Jacket.
Yeah.
You searching the vehicle?
I'm from Wisconsin. I don't wear jackets.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. Can I at least sit in the car, she said.
Maddie, you good if she sits in the car?
What?
Are you good if she sits in the car?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, come over this way. It's right in the back here. I'll turn the heat on for you.
Thank you.
Yep.
During the search of the woman's vehicle, Deputy Morgan found a vape pen. A field test of the liquid contained in the pen displayed a positive test result for THC.
All right, Savannah.
Real I am. I'm a keeper with you.
Okay.
That's
are you?
my medicine.
That's
I have fibromyalgia and puncture. You found it. I lost
okay.
it. So I'm not gonna lie to you.
Okay, so you're taking ownership of it?
I am.
Okay. All right. These two, do you guys want to just give them a ride to the jail? Jail lobby? All right. I have to make sure that you are driving sober as well.
You can test me.
Okay.
Give me a breathalyzer right here,
Okay.
right now.
It's not just about a breathalyzer. If you just want to go have a seat in one of the deputy squads,
I'm completely sober,
that would be
man.
awesome.
You know, I would not
Okay.
lie to you. I already saw you and met you. I would not lie to you.
Take both of them.
yeah, it doesn't matter. You can take both of them. That's fine. All right. So, have you ever been placed through fields before?
I'm sorry.
Have you ever been placed through fields before?
Through the test?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Most definitely.
Okay. So again, I just want to make sure that you are driving sober, right?
Yep.
I'll have you step over here. I don't want you to
Okay.
go into traffic at all. Okay.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to do is just actually turn and face me. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So the first test is an eye test, right? So do you see the tip of my finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any eye issues? Anything wrong with your, like, do you wear contacts? Anything like that? No. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to run my finger across your eyes like this. Follow it with your eyes only, not your head.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only eyes.
Does this light bother you at all?
No.
Okay. Let me know if it
A
does.
little bit, but it's just because I have fibromyalgia.
Okay.
But it's just that overstimulating.
I'm gonna just sit it down
Yeah.
like this then, okay?
Mm-hmm. I have such slow drive.
Mine too. Okay. Next one is the walk and turn.
Yep.
So I'm gonna have you turn and imagine a line running between our two cars here, okay?
Yep.
So what you're gonna do is put your left foot on that line.
Yep.
And put your right foot directly in front of it.
Oh,
You do that now?
left. Sorry.
And just stand in that position until I tell you to stop. Or until I tell you to start, rather.
Oh.
Okay?
I was like, stop it.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps down
Okay.
that imaginary line. Once
right.
you get to that 9th step, you're gonna leave your foot planted on the 9th step and take a series of
Left
small
or right?
steps. It just depends on whatever foot lands there, okay? Keep your foot planted, series of small steps, turn around, take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
Okay? I'm gonna demonstrate for you real quick, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm only taking 3, you're gonna take 9.
9.
On the 9th step, keep that foot planted, turn around, 9 steps back, okay? 1, 2, 3.
I'm just standing like this
Okay.
because I gotta go pee.
Understood. Keep your eyes on your feet the entire
Yeah.
time.
Oh, I
Count-
have to keep them on my feet. I can't keep straight.
Yep, just look down at your feet the whole time.
Alright.
And then count out loud the number of steps you're taking.
Okay.
And then keep your arms down at your side the entire time. And don't stop the test until you believe that you are done with the test.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yep.
All right, whenever you are ready to start. Heel-to-toe steps, remember?
I did 10.
All right, remember what I told you at the end? Take 9 more back.
Never.
Okay.
11.
I'm gonna have you step right here in front of Deputy Stoyanovich and just turn and face me, okay? Nope, turn and face me.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. All right, last one is a one-leg stand, okay?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is put your foot about 6 inches off the ground,
Like I'm going to pee. I love you.
parallel with
Just
the
'cause
ground
I
like
know
that.
you.
Do you see what I'm saying? All right, hang on. Let me finish the instructions real quick, okay?
Just wait 1 second, okay?
All right, I'm gonna keep explaining though, okay?
Okay,
And
explain.
you're gonna count out loud.
Okay.
1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth till I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? While you're doing it, same thing. Look down at your feet the entire time. You can use either leg. It doesn't matter which one.
Okay.
Arms down at your side. And then keep counting until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Count out loud.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. 21.
Okay, you can stop.
He's so bad.
I understand. All right. Unfortunately, I do believe that you are impaired. Okay. So I'm just gonna have you turn around. The breathalyzer is just an added on. I don't
have 1 glass of wine there.
Okay, but there's also marijuana okay in the vehicle?
Not of mine.
Units will be 10-8.
Okay.
I would never.
Never.
Oh, well, my time.
46 is
Well, my
46
time.
is
So I'm not gonna lie. So I
Never.
guess that's the path. Can I at least go pee right here? I'm literally gonna pee myself.
I can't let you pee on the side of the road.
Man.
Once we go to where we're going, you can pee. It's only about 5 minutes away. Can you hold it that long?
Yeah.
All right.
Can I get my wallet though?
I'll grab your wallet for you.
Okay.
All right.
So I
Your
can
car.
bail
Your car
myself
can
out.
stay here for the night.
Wait.
Your car can stay here.
Wait, ma'am. For
Yes.
the night.
Yes.
I can't bail myself
No,
out.
but it can stay here until you're able to figure out how to get it. Okay.
Yeah. I was gonna say I can't bail myself out. Hold on. Can you guys be so kind to grab my car so I can hit it at least before I get stuck in here?
All right. Can you spread your feet apart for me? Thank you. All right.
I went to the bathroom all night.
All right. Keep with your feet spread apart.
Yep.
Thank you. What do you have under this?
Nothing.
Just
Just a regular,
t-shirt?
like a bottom. Like
Okay.
a top.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
can
I
unzip
got
it.
you. Okay. I just gotta check to make sure
Yeah.
nothing's in it. Okay.
It's a one piece. Whatever they're called.
Bodysuit.
Yeah. But it's a long sleeve, so
Okay.
I don't know if it's considered a bodysuit.
Radio check. Go ahead,
All right. We're gonna go have a seat in the back of my squad over here. Okay.
Just checking the radio.
All right. Go ahead. Have a seat.
I'm gonna be able to bail myself out, Jack.
So because you're being arrested for in OWI, you're gonna have to have
Please don't do that.
you're gonna have to have a sober you're gonna have to have a sober driver. I have to do my job, okay?
Wait. I can bail myself out and I can get a sober driver to come
Once you won't have to post any
I
bond.
don't have to stay in jail.
You won't have to post any bond. You just need a sober person to come pick you
Okay,
up. Okay,
I got that.
You don't
I
have to
got
stay in overnight unless.
Wait.
Yeah.
Can you give him my stuff in back there? Wait,
What's
does
up?
have their license?
I know that they're all intoxicated. I'm not gonna let them drive.
Wait, actually, I'm not gonna lie. They are worse than me.
Yeah.
So, but wait.
Yes.
Can you keep them with me?
Yeah, they're just gonna wait in the jail lobby for you. Okay. They're just gonna hang out in the jail lobby. That's where we're dropping them off to.
Where am I going?
To the jail.
Oh Lord God, I ask you right now to watch over me because I
The woman was then transported to a hospital where her blood was drawn to determine her blood alcohol content. She was charged with OWI, possession of THC, possession of drug paraphernalia, and operating a vehicle with a prohibited alcohol concentration. She pled guilty to possession of THC and operating a vehicle with PAC. All other charges were dismissed. Do you think she's cut out for a career in law enforcement? Drop a comment below. Say a prayer for all parties involved. Like and subscribe for more law enforcement body cam videos.